I'll beat it up. Do it again.
Over here at the got the pistols, some rifles as well. Here's steel popping, everybody's standing in line, nice little line, not too terrible to wait. Running smooth, everybody's being nice, polite, a lot of real nice easygoing people here at the range. Yeah, it was. Alright, excellent. F&H, swag.
That's the best beer of the day so far. Yeah, his words said.
Head 4006 here at the Texas Firearms Festival with James Yeager. You got some shooting done today?
No.
No, sir?
Nah, I don't come to these things to shoot. I come just to kind of visit the vendors, see what's new, and I don't want to take up ammo and time from somebody else being able, because I get to shoot a lot of cool stuff. So I just come and kind of hang out and watch and talk to the guys and find out what's new.
Are you going to make this an annual thing coming out here?
Yeah, I don't see why not. It's really neat. They wanted to make it like a SHOT Show media day, and if you come out here and look down the aisle, it looks like SHOT Show media day. I mean,
it does. It's very nice. I came here last year, and definitely I just walked in the gate. It looks a whole lot.
No, it's from what I've heard, it's a lot better than last year, and it's great, and I guess they're going to keep making it better.
Excellent, man. Well, it's good to see you and meet you.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, sir. Go on. I'm going to have to look into getting this.
All right, Edge 4006 here at the Texas Firearms Festival 2015. So far, we have had a pretty good time. A lot of vendors, a lot more gear, for sure, than last year. A lot of neat people. Everybody's really happy to sit there and let you get the products, put them in your hand. They got a real neat booth right over here to show you where you can go ahead and take a picture with these mini guns that are, they got like a battery hooked up to them. Kind of not the real thing. I get to shoot some rounds off of it, but it's pretty cool to sit there, put it in your hand, and see that barrel spin. A lot of neat stuff. Awesome selection of accessories and gear here for the people to come pick up, and just to see if not that. And we have the gun store tent in the background here. It looks a little bit bigger than last year. I'm gonna check it out and see what kind of guns they got on hand. I want to shoot some first, because really what the concept of this gathering is, you get to shoot the weapons that are out here: SIG, Winchester, Noveske, I understand F&H, and so on, and STI, a bunch of different vendors. I can't name them all on top of my head. But once you shoot the gun, you get to go ahead, not only that, and if you like the gun, you get to go to that tent and purchase it, and hopefully get a really good deal on that. So we'll be checking that out.